Welcome to a next-generation real estate experience, crafted in Unreal Engine to offer a truly immersive tour of your future lifestyle. This iconic development blends vibrant commercial life with elevated residential comfort. At its foundation is a multi-level shopping mall, designed to host premium retail outlets, lifestyle brands, and everyday conveniences. Now, we enter the grand reception lobby, a welcoming space with elegant finishes and a modern layout. The mall spans ground plus 2 floors, accessible via modern elevators and wide staircases, offering smooth vertical circulation. For shoppers. Inside, the layout features spacious walkways, well-lit showrooms, and dedicated sections for fashion and essentials, creating a rich and engaging retail atmosphere. Heading upward, we explore the 2-level parking podium, designed for seamless entry, exit, and optimized capacity. The commercial floors are thoughtfully planned to support both convenience and productivity. At the core is a modern clinic, providing accessible healthcare services within the development, ensuring peace of mind for residents and visitors alike. Surrounding the clinic are a range of office spaces, including private single offices for individual professionals and multi-working shared office areas ideal for startups, teams, and collaborative ventures. Completing the commercial offering is a cozy cafeteria, perfect for casual meetings, relaxed breaks, and day-to-day refreshment. Residents have access to premium wellness amenities. The fully equipped gym is a modern fitness space with advanced equipment, open layouts, and natural lighting to energize your routine. Adjacent to it, the swimming pool area provides a serene escape with deck seating and a peaceful atmosphere, ideal for both relaxation and exercise. For recreation, a multi-activity play area awaits, featuring indoor cricket lanes, bowling alleys, and table tennis zones. This dynamic space brings together sports, social fun, and wellness in one energetic hub. With a seamless transition, we move from the lobby to the residential floors. Arriving, we pass through a clean, well-lit corridor that leads us to a beautifully designed apartment. Each apartment is thoughtfully planned with a 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom layout, featuring a spacious lounge, modern kitchen, and well-appointed bathroom, designed for both comfort and functionality. Interiors are presented in 2 views, one fully furnished, capturing a warm, livable ambience, and the other semi-furnished, offering a flexible perspective for customization. Each detail, from textures to lighting, is rendered to mirror real-world materials with stunning realism. Continuing our tour, we take the stairwell, showcasing effortless vertical access between floors, enhancing independence and everyday mobility. Adjacent to this, indulge in fine dining at the Sky Restaurant, where breathtaking rooftop views meet world-class culinary experiences, making every meal unforgettable. Above all, experience luxury redefined with our Sky Penthouse, an exclusive residence offering panoramic city views, expansive layouts, and premium finishes for elevated living.